Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and we're going to try some more soap today using another fragrance from the new company, from Midwest Fragrance Company. This one's called Bite Me, and it actually has a similar smell to the one that I used earlier that accelerated so quickly. We'll try this differently. That also says that it accelerates slightly, so I am going to just hand stir it in. And has a lower usage rate, so I'll be using less fragrance because the lower usage rate. That might help as well, at least that's what I'm hoping. So I'm using Orange Vibrance as one of the colors. And as in the last one, I'm using the Raspberry Red. And I'll be doing titanium dioxide, and we'll see if we can drop swirl this one in. So give me a minute to get set up and we'll get started. Alright, let's see how this soap goes. So we will start with our orange. And I often boost this with a neon. I'm not going to this time. I'm going to leave it just as it is. Good, and then we'll do our raspberry red. Looks good, of course. And our white, which I have mixed up in some water. Let's give these a quick hit with the stick blender. And once again, I'm just going to hand stir the fragrance in. So we will do lightest to darkest, and we'll start with our white. Which makes such a difference. And now let's see how we do. And this one's like the other one. It smells just fantastic, and it's a very, very strong scent. So even with a lower usage rate, I think it's going to still have a really strong, lasting scent in the soap. So those are holding up really well. Let me shut us down, just kind of keep an eye on this and see how it does, because I'm not going to stick blend those. Okay, this is holding up really well. It's actually a little thinner than I like, but I can take my time with it, I think. So obviously that one behaves beautifully as long as your hand stir. I don't know what will happen if you stick blend it, but I am going to stick blend the frosting just a little bit to speed it up because I want it to speed up. So obviously this is very, very thin and it's going to have to sit for quite a while. So I'll bring this back in a minute. Alright, so this pour went much, much better than the last one. And it stayed just very, very thin all the way down to the final pass. I'm really pleased with it. And even though it has a lower usage rate, it really smells good, nice and strong. So, and on the frosting, I stick blended it just a little bit and it still took several minutes to set up. So no issues at all with this one. Oh, it looks terrific. I was a little afraid it might be too thin, but definitely not. So yeah, really, really pleased with how this one turned out, and pleased with the fragrance. And this is the one I made earlier that turned to pudding in the cups. So still got a pretty decent result, but not quite as nice as this one. And both of these have vanilla in them. This has not darkened one bit. And I made this, what, 4 days ago, 5 days ago? So really happy with these. And with this company. But that's what I have this week. And always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you next week. Bye.